Control number 41976, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maria Isao Mariano. I'm 39 years old. I'm married. I have 4 sons. The first is 21 years old. The second is 19 years old. The third is 14 years old. The fourth is 2 years old. But he's already died. I'm only child.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm graduating in Santa Barbara National High School, Nueva Ecija.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To my family,
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
yes, I'm working in Hong Kong as a 1 year and 5 months.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I want to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, it's my son.
What can you do for babies?
Change clothes and play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cook and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Steamed fish and vegetable.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
Hardworking and honest.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear ma'am and sir, if you choose me, I will do my best and finish my contract 2 years and more. Thank you so much.